Good morning children. I would like to welcome each and everyone to EVS class, and today's date is 19 August 2020, and children, we have completed our lesson 5, water everywhere, and that particular lesson 5 is going to come for your unit test exam. So moving forward, today we are going to start with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Day and Night, and it is lesson number 6. So before we start the lesson, there are some learning outcome, that means which you can know at the end of the lesson. So it's very important. So let's have a quick review of it. What are those things? So number 1, it is to know about day and night. Number 2, to know about the different position of sun in the sky. Third point, to know about the sun, the moon and the stars, all about heavenly bodies we are going to learn. And lastly, it's very interesting children, I think so you all love to see rainbow. Yes, to know about the rainbow in the sky. These are the things you are going to learn from the chapter. Okay children, now moving forward with the new topic, that is the new learning objective for today is to know about day and night. Children, we are going to start with day and night. Okay children, now let us start with the first learning objective, that is to know about day and night. And what is day and night? So for that children, please refer to page number 33, lesson 6, day and night. Look at the picture of daytime and night time given below. There are two pictures. Have you seen children? Yes, there are two pictures, and daytime you can see the bright sun in that particular place. It is daytime. In the next picture it is nighttime. That is, you can see the stars and the moon. Okay, that is the difference. In the daytime we see the bright sun, and in night time we see the only stars and moon. So please turn your page number 34. Days and nights are different from each other. These days and night are different from each other. It is not similar, it is different. How? Usually the day is bright and warm, isn't it children? You all know the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. In the early morning when it rises, you can see it's full of brightness, isn't it? During the day the sky looks blue, and during the daytime the sky looks blue, very beautiful. We can see the sun rising in the sky, and we can see the sun rising in the sky. Morning, afternoon and evening are the three parts of the day. What are the three parts of the day children? Morning, afternoon and evening are the three parts of the day. Morning is the first part of the day. Morning is the first part of the day. After morning comes the afternoon. So after morning it comes afternoon. Evening is the last part of the day. So evening is the last part of the day. That is the third. It is the last part of the day. It comes after the afternoon. It comes after the afternoon. Okay. Now look at next line. Nights are dark and cool. So nights are dark. So we see the twinkling stars at night. The twinkle stars, no? We see the twinkling stars at night and the moon. And cool. It is cool at night, but in daytime it is warm. We cannot see the sun in the sky at night. We cannot see the sun at night. We can see the moon and stars. What can you see children? We can see the moon and stars twinkling. Okay. Then in the yellow color box you can see children, days are bright and warm. Nights are dark and cool. A day starts with the morning and ends with the evening. So days are bright and warm. Nights are dark and cool. And a day starts with morning and ends with evening. Okay. As we said that there are three parts of a day, that is morning, afternoon and evening. So morning, the day starts with morning and ends with the evening. Okay, there are three main parts of a day, that is morning, afternoon and evening. And now what are the things we have learned? We have learned that days are bright and warm and nights are dark and cool. In days we can see the bright sun, okay, and the beautiful blue color sky overhead. And at night, what do we see? We see the moon and the stars twinkling in the sky. Okay, children, these are the things we have learned and from this objective, that is to know about days and night. We have learned about days and night. Then days are bright and warm, nights are dark and cool. A day starts with morning and ends with evening. And there are three main parts of the day, that is morning, afternoon and evening. These are the main three things we have learned. Now moving to the next page, next topic, I understand. We wake up in the morning. How does the sky look? Then when you wake up early in the morning, children, what do you see? You see the rising sun. It looks orange red. This is because of sunrise. If you have seen, children, when you wake up early in the morning, just have a look. That sun looks orange red. That is the rising sun. Then we get ready and go to school. We play and study in school. So during morning, now it's a lockdown period, children. So you are not coming to school. But if it would be a normal day, you would be in the school. That is, then you get ready and go to school. We play, study in school. What do? We play also and we study also in the school. Now comes about the afternoon. In the afternoon, it is the lunch time, isn't it, children? You all love eating your tiffins prepared by your mother. We can even find the sun above us in the sky. That time in afternoon, the sun is above the head, okay? Above us in the sky. Then it is warm outside. You feel hot, warm outside. In the afternoon, the sun rises very brightly. In the afternoon, what happens, children? The sun shines very brightly. It is difficult to look at the sun at noon. So at 12 o'clock, we say it's noon time, you can't even see the sun also. Okay, it's so bright. Do you play in the evening? Children, you love playing. I know you play in the evening. And evening is the best time to play when it is little bit cool. How does the sky look in the evening? How does it look like, children? The sky look like orange red. This is because of sunset. Now the sun is about to set in the evening. Sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. Similarly, color of the sky is seen during sunrise too. That means the color in the morning time, you have seen a bright sunrise with orange and red. And while setting also, when it's set in the evening, its color is also similar, that is orange red. The whole sky seems during the sunrise too. That means it is similar to the sunrise and sunset. Okay, children, and these are the things we have learned. And before winding up the class, I like to discuss what we have learned today. The main points I will discuss, children. Number one, we have learned about the days and night. We have learned that days are bright and warm and nights are dark and cool. And there are three main parts of a day, that is morning, afternoon and evening. Then again we have learned another important thing is that the sun rises from the east and sets in the west, and the sun rises from the east, we know, and that is the time when the morning starts, and when the sun sets, we are ending to the evening. Okay, now that means the evening has started. The sun is setting down. Now what color it is? Both are similar, orange, red. Both have the orange red color. And one more important, lunchtime is, children, it is in the afternoon. In the afternoon we have our lunch. If you are at home, you have your lunch, and if it is in school, you have your tiffin. You enjoy tiffin prepared by your mother. So these are the things we have discussed. Thank you, children. Take care.